This exercise takes your plank to the next level and really is going to help with some core work, some low back work, and if you do it even a little faster, you can get a little bit of cardio involved too. So get in a nice plank position. Make sure your abs are fully engaged. You want to make sure that there is no doming or bulging of the abdominal wall as you do this. You want to make sure that your low back is also engaged here and that you're not bearing down onto your pelvic floor. Start this activity on a chair or even the wall or countertop and start at it slow, making sure again that your abs are really engaged here. You can certainly, after that, speed it up a little bit and try to bring your feet as high as you can. And as you do progress, you will be able to get this done with the hands on the ground and even perhaps moving your legs a little further and to the point where you can kind of bounce from one foot to the other in a full mountain climber.